10 Ultimate AR-15 Rifles for Home Defense. When it comes to home defense, few firearms are as trusted as the AR-15 rifle. Known for their versatility, power, and reliability, these rifles are designed to offer outstanding accuracy and stopping power in a variety of situations. Whether you're looking for something compact and maneuverable or a more robust, long-range option, the AR-15 lineup has something to suit every need. Daniel Defense DDM-4V7. The Daniel Defense DDM-4V7 is a powerhouse in the AR-15 world, revered for its exceptional build quality and reliable performance in both tactical and home defense situations. With its 16-inch barrel, it strikes a balance between maneuverability and accuracy, making it ideal for close-quarters engagements within the home. The DDM-4V7 is chambered in 5.56 NATO and 223 Remington, providing consistent stopping power with a wide range of ammunition types. This makes it a flexible weapon, whether you're dealing with close-range threats or trying to engage targets at longer distances. What sets the DDM-4V7 apart is its superior craftsmanship. Daniel Defense is known for using top-tier materials in its construction, including a precision-machined, cold hammer-forged barrel and an enhanced muzzle device that reduces recoil for quicker follow-up shots. The rifle's monolithic upper receiver ensures a rock-solid platform, which translates into accuracy and dependability. Colt LE6920. The Colt LE6920 is widely recognized as one of the most iconic AR-15 rifles ever made. It has built a reputation for being a reliable, no-nonsense rifle that performs exceptionally well in home defense scenarios. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, it offers the perfect balance of power and precision for close-quarters combat, making it a popular choice among law enforcement and military personnel. The LE6920 features Colt's famous direct impingement gas system, providing smooth cycling and minimal maintenance even after heavy use. The Colt LE6920 is known for its rugged build, capable of withstanding tough conditions without compromising accuracy or functionality. The rifle comes with a 16-inch barrel, offering a good mix of portability and accuracy. It also has a collapsible stock, which makes it easy to adjust based on your shooting stance and storage needs. Smith & Wesson M&P15 Sport IA. The Smith & Wesson M&P15 Sport IA is an affordable yet highly capable AR-15 rifle, perfect for those seeking a quality home defense weapon without breaking the bank. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, the M&P15 Sport IA offers reliable performance with a 16-inch barrel, providing a good balance between mobility and accuracy. This rifle is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, with minimal frills and maximum reliability, making it an ideal option for someone looking for a straightforward, no-nonsense firearm for home defense. Despite its affordability, the M&P15 Sport IA doesn't sacrifice performance. Its reliable gas system and accurate barrel ensure that every shot counts, while the rifle's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The rifle is also equipped with a 30-round magazine, offering plenty of firepower when you need it most. SIG Sauer M400 Tread. The SIG Sauer M400 Tread is a highly customizable AR-15 rifle that offers incredible performance and versatility. It is chambered in 5.56 NATO, which makes it highly effective for home defense scenarios, providing plenty of power in a compact, easy-to-handle package. The M400 Tread is equipped with a 16-inch barrel, offering exceptional accuracy for close-quarters engagements, and its free-floating handguard allows for improved accuracy by eliminating barrel interference. This rifle also features a monolithic upper receiver and a smooth, adjustable trigger, making it a joy to shoot in any scenario. What truly makes the M400 Tread stand out is its modular design, which allows users to personalize their rifle to suit their specific needs. From adjustable stocks to various optics and accessories, the M400 Tread can be tailored for any type of shooter. Ruger R556. The Ruger R556 is a fantastic entry-level AR-15 rifle that doesn't skimp on quality or performance. Designed for shooters looking for a dependable and affordable firearm for home defense, the R556 is chambered in 5.56 NATO and features a 16-inch barrel. It's ideal for close-range engagements, providing solid stopping power without being too unwieldy in tight spaces. Ruger's patented direct impingement gas system ensures smooth cycling, and the rifle's free-floating handguard enhances overall accuracy. While the AR-556 is budget-friendly, Ruger doesn't cut corners on build quality. It features a forged upper receiver, a tough barrel, and a collapsible stock, making it easy to adjust the rifle to your shooting style. Its simple, no-nonsense design ensures reliability, even after extended use. Bravo Company Manufacturing Rec 16. The Bravo Company Manufacturing Rec 16 is a precision-engineered AR-15 rifle, built for home defense and tactical applications. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, the Rec 16 features a 16-inch barrel, perfect for maneuvering in close-quarters situations. What sets the Rec 16 apart is its exceptional accuracy. With a precision-machined upper receiver and a free-floating barrel that minimizes any shift in the point of impact. The rifle is equipped with a rugged yet lightweight design, making it ideal for quick, responsive shooting in a defensive scenario. Bravo Company Manufacturing is known for its attention to detail and high standards of craftsmanship, and the Rec 16 is a prime example of that. The rifle features a mil-spec buffer tube and a customizable stock, allowing users to fine-tune their setup for comfort and performance. Palmetto State Armory PA-15. The Palmetto State Armory PA-15 is one of the most popular AR-15 rifles on the market, offering unbeatable value and performance. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, this rifle is ideal for home defense, providing a perfect mix of power and accuracy with its 16-inch barrel. The PA-15 features a mil-spec design with a direct impingement gas system, providing reliability and smooth operation for everyday use. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle in tight spaces, and its ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use. What makes the PA-15 a standout is its affordability without sacrificing quality. Palmetto State Armory is known for producing rifles that deliver military-grade performance at civilian-friendly prices, and the PA-15 is no exception. Aero Precision M4E1. The Aero Precision M4E1 is a high-performance AR-15 rifle designed for precision shooting and tactical applications. It is chambered in 5.56 NATO, making it an excellent choice for home defense, with its 16-inch barrel providing just the right balance of mobility and accuracy. The M4E1 features a monolithic upper receiver that enhances the rifle's overall rigidity, ensuring greater accuracy and consistency with every shot. Its sleek design and customizable features make it ideal for shooters who demand top-tier performance. Aero Precision is renowned for its high-quality manufacturing, and the M4E1 is a testament to their commitment to excellence. The rifle comes with a free-floating handguard that improves accuracy and allows for a secure grip, even in high-stress situations. Springfield Armory Saint. The Springfield Armory Saint is a top-tier AR-15 rifle that is built for personal protection and tactical use. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, the Saint features a 16-inch barrel and a rugged design that makes it perfect for home defense scenarios. Its free-floating handguard and precision-machined barrel ensure excellent accuracy, while the rifle's lightweight construction and ergonomic grip provide comfort during extended use. Springfield Armory is known for producing high-quality firearms, and the Saint is no exception. It comes with a high-performance gas system, ensuring smooth operation under stress, and its durable components mean it will perform reliably for years to come. Faxon Firearms ARAC-21. The Faxon Firearms ARAC-21 is an innovative AR-15 rifle that stands out for its modularity and adaptability. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, this rifle is designed for both home defense and tactical applications, offering a 16-inch barrel and exceptional accuracy. The ARAC-21 is highly customizable, with interchangeable upper receivers that allow users to switch between different calibers and configurations quickly. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for someone who wants a rifle that can be adapted for various purposes. Faxon Firearms has built a reputation for producing high-quality, precision-engineered rifles, and the ARAC-21 is no different. It's designed to be reliable and durable, with a tough, lightweight construction that makes it easy to carry and handle. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.